In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tab on Apps section available here. And here's an issue I get questions a lot about, because default app section is hidden on POCO devices. To find it, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner and choose Other Settings. Then hit Default Apps at the top and manage all of those however you want to. Just click on one of those sections you wanna manage, click on an app you wanna apply as your new default, and tap on the back button. As you can see, mine was successfully changed. If you wanna go back to your default apps, you can always click on Reset at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up to reset default app preferences to factory presets. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!